My name is William, and I'm from the TWX team, and today I'm going to be presenting our solution. The college admission process is complex, especially to students from developing countries who often lack the guidance in terms of applying to US universities. To bridge this gap, we created ApplicationCoach, which is an app powered by Google's Gemini API. This AI-driven coach supports students throughout their academic journey, helping them navigate the admission processes, and this way maximize the chances of them getting in. Let's take a look at how it works.
You can see here, welcome to ApplicationCoach, your personalized assistant for international university applications. And so to get started, we'll be able to answer a questionnaire. And in this way, the AI agent, the algorithm, will be able to tell in which of the three profiles of student we fit into: the diplomat, the entrepreneur, or the researcher. So now let's just answer some of the questions in a completely random order, and this way he will be able to calculate in which of the profiles we fit into. This way, in our random selection, we ended up being diplomats, right? So we fit into the diplomat profile. This will be very important because when you know the profile of the person, the AI agent is able to give some guidances in terms of like which extracurricular activities to do, which AP courses to take, and everything else. So now here on the main dashboard, we can see that we have the extracurricular pages, the essays, and the AI assistant. So let's get into the extracurricular part. Here, as you can see, we have a sheet of to-do, in progress, and completed tasks. So now we can add an activity. So for example, let's just say a Model United Nations simulation, because we are diplomats after all. So now in the activity type, let's just say debate or public speaking. We have a lot of different types of extracurriculars that a person can, say that it is the activity. In this case, it's debate and public speaking. In the status, let's just say that it was completed, and we did it in the 30th of May of 2025. And in terms of award or recognition, if there is any, in our case of the history, there is one. We got an honorable mention, but this is important for our AI agent so that he's able to tell if the person is doing great, and this way we'll be able to see and actually give tips on how to improve his performance, right? So in our description, we can describe what we did, the activity. So in this case, let's just say that we participated in the historic committee, which is a category of Model United Nations simulation. So now we see the activity successfully added in the completed part, right? This way we can track every single one of our extracurriculars. And we have also the personalized AI feedback. Now back to the dashboard, we go back to the essays. In the essay part, we have the essay editor, and in this other side, the AI analysis and feedback. So let's just say the essay title that it is a story of my life. Story of my life. And we want to apply to MIT. Here I actually have an example of an MIT essay about personal statement. So now, we analyze with AI and we get, a basic analysis of it, So we have the basic metrics, we work out the sentences, every words per sentence, which tends to be important because we have a specific format to fit into. So here we have the general feedback, and for our diplomat profile, consider emphasizing leadership experiences, international or multicultural perspectives, communication skills, and social impact, right? So it's a really complete analysis. Now going back to the AI assistant, you can see here that we have an AI page. Unfortunately, because of some complications, we're not able to connect to the Google Gemini API. As you can see here, we have the AI offline/local mode, and this is because we had some complications in our code. The API connection did not work, but we have everything in the code. It's not just precisely done. Some of the questions that the algorithm already knows how to respond. So this is why I selected this one, and we have the complete answer, right? And in future changes, we would expect to fix this issue, right? As you can see, our application coach not only guides the student into an application, but actually gives a light in every single part of the process. It's important to notice we're not just giving a chance from students from developing countries. We're actually squaring out a game that has always been completely unfair. Thank you for watching.